Here we show how to use the inbox. So when you have built your bot and it has topics and content, what you want to have is actual user messages and use that to train and make your bot more accurate. The way to do that is on the left side under AI, you go to the inbox. So in inbox, what you're seeing is all the messages that users have sent and what is the prediction the AI is giving to it. So first you can select those messages by date. You can just pick a date range and it will show you messages from that range. Then what you see is the number of validated phrases. This is the number of user messages that you have validated manually. And this is the number of unvalidated phrases. So essentially this is what the unvalidated phrases you can work with. And now what the AI is doing is it's showing you the user message. So here, we have a user message, how are you? And the bot has given a prediction. So it's predicting that, 69% accuracy that, this user message should be trained under the topic, how is it going? And 10%, it thinks that it should go under the topic of how old are you? And 8% under the topic of value. So here what the AI is doing is giving you options where to train that user message. So it's very helpful that you don't have to pick it manually, but immediately you get 5 options. So what you can do is if you think that it's going under the intent of how is it going, then you can just click on the validate and essentially it will then forward this to the training tab where when you press train, this user message as a phrase and this topic will be trained together, right? If you don't see your actual topic you want to train it for in this list, what you can do is you can click on more intense and just pick the one from the list that is the correct one. Remember that the bot is giving a prediction based on the actual topics that you already have. So if you have a topic, then the bot will give a prediction here. And if it's in the top 5, then it will show up here. Before you validate, what you can also do and what's very helpful is you can edit this. So by clicking on the edit button, you can edit this phrase. And for example, this is helpful when some people, let's say they have written down their social security number or whatever type of information, then what you can do is you can easily take it out because ideally phrases do not need to have names or personalized numbers like account numbers and social security numbers in it because that just essentially confuses the bot. And what the colors here indicate is the strength based on the words or letters that the AI is using to make the prediction. So here it's using RU as sort of an indicate of strength of the phrase and it's matching it with 69% under the topic called how is it going. So in this case I would say the first one is good. I'm validating it, and once you validate it, it just gives you the next one, right? So now somebody has asked how's it going. It has written house together without specifying that it's how is it going. And here you can see, the bot is 87% confident that the actual correct topic is how is it going, right? So I'm just going to click validate. And if you don't want to, train the user message at hand, you can just click ignore, and it will just ignore it, right?